What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones with MarineMax, Texas Mastercraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we are outside the 2023 SPX 210 in this awesome Kahuna blue color. We're gonna hop inside and cruise through it. Thank you guys for checking out this SPX with me today. If you guys have any questions about Sea Ray or any other great manufacturers we have, hop on to MarineMax.com. Again, my name is Jake Jones. Give me a call at 682-282-9969. See you on the water.